Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Weather has been very cold recently, kept on raining. So I wanted to cook something that will warm our body up. Alright, so I'm going to cook Chinese rice wine with prawn. Yeah, Chinese rice wine with prawn, or sometimes you can call this drunken prawn also can. So I have some prawns here. This is not a very huge one. It is probably about 1 kg. You have probably about 38 pieces. So this is half kg of prawns here. What I did was I actually removed the pointy part. Yeah, I removed the pointy part and I removed the leg. Yeah, that's all. I did not devein because it's not really huge. If it's really huge one, I will remove the vein. Then we have few pieces of ginger here, right? If you want to warm up your body, you definitely need some ginger. And you will need some sesame oil as well. And of course, last but not least, yeah, I got from online this is those homemade rice wine. I think I got it from Shopee. And actually when it comes, it is yellowish in color, but after keeping it for like close to 1 year, it continue fermented. So it become black color. Still can be used, no problem at all. So first of all, get ready a wok. Let's give it a bit of sesame oil to start with. Yep. And I'm going to mix it with some vegetable oil so that it doesn't get bitter too easily. Yeah, sesame oil sometimes by itself, it can get bitter easily. One. So once you heated up the oil, put in the ginger. And let's brown the ginger a little bit, yeah? Usually people will use old ginger for this dish. Oh, very fragrant. I can smell the ginger and also the sesame oil. Ooh, a little bit too hot. I'm going to put in the prawn. Ooh, you can see the prawn very fresh. Next thing, we're going to give it some homemade rice wine, not made by me, yeah? Alright, I finish off this bottle. And we will add similar amount of water. So usually I prefer 1 to 1, yeah? 1 ratio of the wine and also 1 ratio to the water. But if you are those who really prefer a stronger wine taste, you can have more ratio of the wine, no problem. This is your home cooking, you decide. So this dish is super easy, almost done. Because your prawn doesn't need a long time to cook, it will be about 3 minutes. That is very good enough. And we want to give it some salt, yeah, some fine salt. We're almost done. That's how simple it is. Or we can prepare some goji berries at the side. Later we will put the goji berries. Don't worry about the alcohol inside the wine, because after it is boiling like this, you are basically cooking away all the alcohol, yeah? So we should cook this for about 3 minutes, then it's done. So somebody asked me, Appa, how do I choose a good rice wine from Shopee or Lazada? Very easy. Go there and see which one sell the most. Look at how much they sell. The one I'm ordering, I think they have sold like thousands over bottle. It is good, yeah? It is really good. Alright, almost done. 7 minutes. Good enough. Look at the prawn. Beautifully curled up. And you don't want to overcook your prawn because it can become mushy, yeah? Basically, it is done. Let me move this over to the serving plate. Let me off the fire. Alright, we got prawn, so we have protein, then we have a beautiful soup, which will warm up your body. Here's some goji berries. I actually soak it for like 1-2 minutes, yeah? That's how simple it is. It only takes you less than 10 minutes to make this dish, yeah? I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Here's a simple drunken prawn. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.